Hi everyone, very good morning. Let's go for our lesson for today. Today we are going to learn about the soluble and insoluble materials. For that, you refer your textbook page 94. Nisa adds two material into a glass of water as this. Before stirring, look at there, corn kernels and sugar. And after stirring, we can only see the corn kernels. Where is the sugar? Why are the corn kernels still visible? The sugar is still there, but it has dissolved in water. The corn kernels are still visible because they don't dissolve in the water. Some materials can dissolve in water such as sugar. That means we cannot see after the sugar mixed with the water. Some materials cannot dissolve in water such as corn kernels. After you stir in the water, we still can see the corn kernels. How can we know which materials dissolve in water? Let's investigate. Okay, you can do this in your house. Okay, the first, pour 200 milliliter of water into each beaker. Then add salt into beaker A, green beans into beaker B, and rice into beaker C. Stir the water in each beaker and observe the changes. Okay, let's see the observation. Okay, look at the salt. Okay, look at the salt. Visible or not visible? Not visible. If visible, that means do not dissolve. If not visible, that means the object dissolve. Okay, salt not visible, dissolve. Green beans visible, do not dissolve. Rice visible, do not dissolve. So the answer is salt dissolve in water. Rice and green beans do not dissolve in water. So teacher hope you understand this one. Let's go the second topic, materials that dissolve more quickly. So now we have to investigate which material dissolve more quickly. Which water can dissolve sugar more quickly? So look at situation 1. So we put water, we put 200 milliliter of cold water into beaker A and 200 milliliter of hot water in the beaker B. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar into each beaker. Then stir the water in both beakers at the same time. Observe the sugar in a beaker A and beaker B, which dissolved first. Record your observation. So the conclusion is materials can dissolve more quickly in hot water than cold water. Okay, so hot water dissolve more quickly. Okay, let's see the situation 2. Why is the tea still not sweet even after sugar has been added? Let's investigate. Okay, step 1, pour 200 milliliter of water into each beaker. Then put 1 teaspoon of sugar into each beaker. 3. Stir the water in beaker B only. Record your observation. So the answer is materials can dissolve more quickly in water if stirred. Okay, if you're not stirred, that means you cannot taste the water sweet. Okay, situation 3. Why is this coffee still not sweet even though I have stirred it? Let's see the investigation. Okay, you put coarse sugar and sugar cubes. Number 1, pour 200 milliliter of water into each beaker. Then add 1 teaspoon of coarse sugar and 1 cube of sugar into each beaker. Then number 3, stir the water in both beakers at the same time. Record your observation. Let's see the answer. Small size material dissolve more quickly than big size material. So we done already 3 experiments in this investigation. So what you can conclude from all the 3 investigation? Materials can dissolve more quickly in hot water when they are stirred and when they are small in size. If cold water, if you're not stirred, and if you use a big size, the material cannot dissolve easily. Okay, hope you understand. Let's see our exercise for today. Okay, your activity for today, you have to do in your activity book, page 58. So this one, before you answer this question, you have to do this experiment first. Okay, after you do the experiment, you answer this one. Food coloring powder, dissolve or not dissolve? Pebbles, sugar, peanuts. So answer here, dissolve or not dissolve. Then copy the answer in the question number 1 and number 2. Okay, after that, activity book, page 59. Same also, you can do it in your house. Then answer here, record your observation. Time for cocoa powder to dissolve. You just write there the fastest, fast or slow. Okay, don't write the minute. Write there the fastest, fast or slow. And activity book, page 60. Here you have to record your observation, same like before. Write there the fastest, fast or slow. Okay, page 60. Okay, after that, do this one. Activity book, page 61. Also same. Write fastest, fast or slow. And activity book, page 62. Okay, this one, tick the fastest method to make a chocolate drink. Explain how you prepare it. Okay, so you tick and what you use. The first one, you use the hot water or cold water. Okay, you write here. Okay, this one, the checklist. You do the activity, do in your activity book, page 58, 59, 60, 61, and 62. After finish, send your exercise in the Telegram group. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much. Hope you understand. See you next week.